Hi! Lutong Simpleng Pinoy, good morning! I'm with Ate Prosie.
Good morning!
How are you, Ate?
I'm good!
Good. Now, nag-prepare po ako ng beef bulalo. Simpleng rekado. Bumili po ako ng 1.5 kilong beef na pang bulalo. Then, 2 cabbage. And yung saba na saging. Sibuyas, may luya, may pamintang durog at saka yung buo.
Okay.
Then may patatas din. I boiled the beef for 35 minutes sa pressure cooker. Then after that, inilagay ko po yung patatas, saging na saba. Then after 5 minutes, nilagay ko yung cabbage. So with patis and additional paminta, and then now ready to eat.
Oh,
Have a
wow,
look.
sarap.
Wow, sarap.
Nice.
Thank you. Have a lovely day.
Happy